back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can enable the Telnet feature in your Windows OS. So whether you can check the port is enabled or no. So for this, first we will ensure that Telnet is installed in our laptop or PC or not. So let's telnet google.com and with port 80. So Telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command. So we will go here and we will type Windows feature and turn Windows feature on and off. So once it will open the feature, so we will go under the Telnet client and we will say OK. So it will try to search some file required to run the Telnet command. So we will press close and we will close CMD and run CMD as administrator. Now we will type telnet google.com and the port number 80. So as you can see, it is successfully connected to google.com and port is enabled. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, like, subscribe my channel.